Hey guys, this is going to be another quick Linux command video. Check the link in the description for more info and for copy and paste examples. The Linux help command displays brief information about built-in commands. Some of these commands may or may not have man pages as well, but you can find documentation with the help command. So the help command itself is a bash built-in command. So you can get info and usage on the help command itself. You can say help, help, and it will tell you the usage for help. But you could say man help to get to, and there's no manual entry for help. So you can't check the man page for the help command. Now, some commands you can use, well, for example, you could say man bg, and there's no manual entry for the bg command, which would place something in the background. But you can say help bg, and you can look up the bg command with help. So move jobs to the background, place jobs, blah, blah, blah. So yeah, for shell built-in commands, you can just use the help command. So similar function to the man command for looking up man pages. Usually it's shorter and it's for built-in commands. Now, there are three main options you're going to want to know about with this. D is output a short description for each topic. M is to display the usage in pseudo man page format, and S is to display only a short usage synopsis for each. So you could say, you could just say help BG, or you could say help -D BG, and it's just going to give you that quick, tiny description. And M is going to format it kind of more like a man page, more man page formatted output. And let's see, so we did D, M, and then there's also an S. So S will give you the basic usage and without the description, just the usage for how you'd use it. And that's about it. So I mean, that's about, those are the options. I wanted to show you one other thing. That's basically everything for the usage though. So I'm going to show you using help with break. So help -D break, and D, S, and M. So there's an example of using it for the break command, exit for while or in two loops. So yeah, when you break, this is mostly only used for bash scripting, but if you want to get help on that, you can use the help command. Whereas if you tried to use the man command, let's see if this has a man page. Man. So okay, there is a man page for this, but I believe this, okay, so this is not even for the same thing. This is for a system call. So this is not for the break command. So any case, yeah. So yeah, that's the help command. It's distinct from the man command. There's also info pages. You can use the info command, and there is the TLDR. I'm going to cover those in a separate video. Remember, check the links in the description for more info. Hit the subscribe button for more useful content like this. We also have a ton of other more interesting content covering things like coding, hardware, software, servers, Raspberry Pis, 3D printing, and a whole lot more. Hopefully you found this useful. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys on that next video.